Breakthrough discovery. Resurge is the world's first and only anti-aging nutritional protocol that targets the true cause of unexplained weight gain, stubborn belly fat and metabolic slowdown. Resurge is the only product in the world to contain 8 special nutrients in the exact amounts scientifically proven to improve deep sleep and enhance natural metabolic regeneration in both women and men. Burning fat, restoring your health, and turning back the clock simply could not be easier or more automatic. Is Resurge safe? Resurge is absolutely 100% natural, safe and effective. Many thousands of folks enjoy taking Resurge every day and there has been absolutely zero side effects reported. Every capsule of Resurge is manufactured here in the USA in our state-of-the-art FDA-approved and GMP Good Manufacturing Practices certified facility under the most sterile, strict and precise standards. Resurge is 100% all-natural, vegetarian and non-GMO. As always, if you have a medical condition it's recommended to consult with your doctor. How will Resurge be shipped to me and how quickly? We will ship your order directly to your home or office using a premium carrier such as FedEx or UPS, and if you're in the US or Canada you can expect your order within 5 to 7 business days. International orders typically take 8 to 15 business days plus customs clearance time. Rush shipping is available. Will I be billed anything else after I order? Absolutely not. Rest assured this is a one-time payment only. This is not an auto-ship program of any kind. There are no hidden charges or subscription fees whatsoever. I've always hated that stuff as much as you do. What if Resurge doesn't work for me? I'm so confident that you'll experience more profound, life-changing results than literally anything you've ever purchased before. I'm not just promising the results, I'm going to guarantee them. Resurge is backed by a 60-day, no questions asked, 100% money-back guarantee to make getting started an absolute no-brainer for you. My team and I are extremely easy to get a hold of. There's simply no risk to you. It's time to get started.